Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be trying a new way to film. I might sound a bit different, but yeah. So it's gonna be a little slime poking video for you guys. It's just really awesome because I have a few slimes. Like I have this alphabet slime. I really like the alphabet slime because it doesn't have a really good crunch, but it's a really nice to play around with. Then I have this green one, and it has a few jewels in here and two alphabet letters that I got from this slime. So I'm going to be trying to crunch it. So I'm going to be setting you up, and then I'll be right back. So there we go. Let's get started. So I'm going to open my slime. So let's go.
¿Guardarías el secreto o se lo contarías a todos?
Bueno, depende vos.
Depende de qué.
A veces las familias no se integran porque se descubren secretos muy difíciles de proteger.
Sí, pues sí.
Dime de qué estás hablando y acepto una otra cosa.
No, no te quiero decir nombres.
Pero no mucho tu familia. No sé quién es quién, así que tranquilo.
Mira, a ver, ¿cómo te lo explico? Durante todo este tiempo que estuve buscando a mis papás, yo creí que ellos me habían abandonado, ¿no? Pero cuando empecé a recordar, descubrí que alguien realmente me separó de mis papás.
¿No?
Nada, creo que es mejor que ordene mis ideas antes de... Mira, gracias por escucharme, discúlpame, pero tengo que ver pasar.
Claro.
I just got some slime borax. I know a lot of you in the comment section are gonna be like, borax burns your hands. It's never actually burned my hands, and I think the girl only used like borax itself, so that's why she got like a second or third degree burn. I'm just gonna add a bit. Sometimes I do use a bit of contact lens solution and then a bit of borax. Those are the two things I use. So now, right now you see me mixing this slime. So I'm just gonna put you in it because it was really sticky. As you can see, it's still pretty darn sticky because I haven't mixed it. So I'm gonna put you guys in here. You know what? I'm gonna like get you guys on back when I'm done mixing it, because it's gonna take a long time because it's really sticky. So I need both hands. So yeah. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm kind of done mixing it. I added a bit more borax to it from the water borax I had added in. So now I'm just gonna do some poking noises for you guys, and we'll be on the go. So let's go. I don't know if you can hear this, but God, I still have a lot of sun on my mic. Okay. Oh. This just didn't want her to interrupt me with the slime poking. Okay. So, thank you. Oh, God. Thank you guys so much for. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it's a lot weirder because I am not used to this. So I need to be like stopping it whenever I want to put the mic in, or not really stopping it, but sometimes I do need to stop it because I need to use both of my hands for some stuff because I need to be talking to you and then I need to be doing this. So sometimes I do need to pause the video. Sorry if it's a little bit weird, but I think I'm gonna be posting like this for a while, and then I might get my tripod soon so I can be a better angle or a better video. No, I just get like this, but I promise I will have better stuff here, or then I might get a tripod, a pink tripod, but when I do get it, I am going to film like that, and then film like right now I am, and I'm filming without a tripod. And when I get my tripod, I'm just going to show you my tripod and everything so you know how it is. And then once then, I'm going to be filming more tripod. Sometimes I'm not going to be filming in with my tripod. Sorry that I'm talking a lot, but make sure, now here I'm going to stand it. Make sure to give this a big thumbs up, like, and subscribe. You can subscribe down below or up there. And then once you subscribe, make sure to turn on the notification little bell. It's a little bell, and when you click it, you'll be notified every single time I upload. Make sure to do that, and in the comments down below, comment some video ideas. Make sure you do that so then I can be posting more and more videos every time you deserve it. So make sure to subscribe because I really want to get at least to about 50 subscribers or more, because I do. Because I've been posting some videos and I don't really have much subscribers. So I want to get some subscribers on because I am every day trying to do a video for you guys and try getting some more video ideas. So I would really appreciate for you to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!